Craftsman has added a V20 brushless 7 1/4 inch circular saw, CMCS 550, to an already extensive line of cordless V20 tools. Is this new saw a good fit for your needs? Craftsman sent us the saw and sponsored this video so we can fill you in on the details. The standout feature involves the motor technology. Craftsman upgraded the full-size circular saw with a brushless motor to provide long tool life and runtime. This model delivers up to 75% more power compared to the Craftsman brushed 6 1/2 inch CMCS 500 circular saw when you're using a 4 amp-hour battery. The saw has a no-load speed of 5,000 RPM, which is 1,000 more RPM than the original brushed model. When you take your finger off the trigger, an electronic brake quickly brings the blade to a stop. Both bevel angle and cutting depth adjustments are simple thanks to quick clamp levers. With a maximum bevel capacity of 56 degrees and positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees, you can make accurate cross cuts and rip cuts for your woodworking applications. Stamped blade height measurements take the guesswork out of matching your material to your cutting depth. At 90 degrees, you can expect a 2 9/16 inch cutting depth and up to 2 inches at a 45-degree bevel. The saw weighs 7.1 pounds without the battery. Pairing it with a V20 6 amp-hour battery bumps it up to 8.5 pounds, making this cordless model fairly lightweight and portable. For comfort during use, Craftsman included a contoured main handle with rubber overmold. A large front handle offers the user control while making cuts. The shoe is made from lightweight aluminum with an upper metal blade guard. A bright LED light illuminates your blade at the cut line, providing visibility to get accurate cuts in low-light environments. When it's time to change your blade, a top-mounted blade lock and onboard hex wrench work together with a flat motor housing to let you set the saw on its side and replace that blade quickly. Powered by the Craftsman V20 system, this saw is compatible with a range of V20 batteries from 2 amp-hour to 9 amp-hour. Lastly, Craftsman backs the V20 cordless 7 1/4 inch circular saw with a 3-year limited warranty and 90-day satisfaction guarantee. You can purchase the bare tool for around $129, which includes a 24-tooth carbide-tipped blade. The battery and charger are sold separately. This circular saw's affordable price point and performance make it an excellent option for homeowners working on home improvements or renovations, as well as value-minded emerging professionals. Visit your local Lowe's or Lowes.com to pick one up for your next home improvement project. Help us out by subscribing to our channel below. If you enjoyed what you saw, hit that like button and turn on notifications to stay up to date on our latest videos.